when you talk about an angel investor would typically be, you, Miraj, or whoever, going along and finding a high net worth individual who has probably been relatively successful in business or the arts or some form of life, and decides that they actually get a lot of enjoyment out of backing individuals. It's a little bit Dragon's Den. You may come to them and say, I need 150,000. They like what you've got to say. The angel likes the cut of your suit, thinks you've got a lot of credibility, can see the business program you're putting forward, and most importantly, believes in you and says, you know what, I'll back this one, and puts their money where their mouth is and gives you the lot. So an angel investor will typically give you, in the early days of a startup, the initial round of capital you require to get yourself to the next stage. Successful schemes or successful businesses may then, once they prove that initial 12-month, 18-month, 2-year period with the support of that angel, and they are now just starting to turn positive results. They may have made a loss in the first year and they're now turning the corner, and they can see the green shoots. They can see that their forecasts are coming true. They can see that there is a really long and large potential in this business idea. And then they may do a second wave or a third wave and seek investment at more favorable terms to the business and slightly less favorable terms to the investor. At the end of the day, an angel putting 100% of the money that's required to start a company up in on day one is taking a massive gamble. In essence, they may have done their due diligence. They may think your sums add up, but ultimately, if it fails, they lose the lot. If it succeeds, they're in a very strong position to grow with you and to get, incredible returns. A lot of angels will invest in 4, 5, 10 different startups at a time, and knowing that they only need 1 or 2 of those to succeed, and their overall return will be more than enough to cover the losses that they suffer along the way. So, an angel lump sum likes what you have to have, puts the lot in,